guys, welcome back to Tip Over Bust. I'm super excited to take you through 10 ways to wear one scarf today on Tip Over Bust with this gorgeous blanket scarf from White & Warren. This is a cashmere travel wrap. You could do this tutorial with any long rectangular scarf or blanket wrap though. I feel like in the winter we have to keep wearing the same pieces again and again, so we might as well make sure that they're really interesting and that we add some new visual interest every time we wear them. I hope you love that. Just a side note too, this isn't sponsored. I just really love White & Warren's cashmere travel wraps. They are the best investments that you can make because you'll use them all the time. Finally, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and give me a comment below with any other questions, comments, or tips on kind of making the most out of your scarves. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button as well so that you can keep seeing more videos like this. Thanks so much guys, I'll see you on the next one.